Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can make your Twitter or X account private. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Twitter application, or it is also known as X nowadays. So after opening the app, go to your select your profile icon on top of your left screen, select this option, and now expand the settings and support option, click here. And now after expanding it, select the settings and privacy option here, and here you can see the option privacy and safety. Click that option here, and on top of it you can see audience and tagging. Select that option, and here you can see protect your post. If you turn this on, only your current followers and people you approve in the future will be able to see your post. That means your current account will be private. Only you can your followers and people you approved can see your post. So turn this on and your Twitter account or your X account will be private, and in this way you can easily make your Twitter account private. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next video.